morning, guys. So one of the beauties of traveling solo is you're flexible, and this is the day that I'm going to be heading to Xilitla, but I connected with this bird group that hiked over the Sierra Madre Mountains, and they're doing a tour today. Going to go find some really cool birds, and so I'm going to jump on the truck with them and go with this famous tour guide that they tell me all about, and go check out some cool birds before I head to Xilitla.
Heal might come today. The healer might come and take. The healer might come and take away the pain. He might come and take it all away. The healer might bring the rain. The healer might leave you in a hurricane. Oh, but keep breathing on the pounding waves. It might come and take it all away. The healer might come today. The healer might. Oh, when you feel like coming, your body breaks. Come on, keep it steady as the sun, let the body say we aren't in our final phrase. And I know that we're still gonna die someday, but would you come and take it all away?
All right, so I just want to say a big thank you to Esteban and Emilio. Yeah, come on.
Okay, Mario.
Mario, yes, thank you for letting me join your group. It was very nice. I appreciate it. Goodbye.
Bye. You're welcome.
How far are you going?
So today I go to Xilitla,
No, but I mean in Mexico.
and then I cross over to Anganguejo. You know where this is?
Angangueo in Michoacán.
Michoacán.
Where
see
the
the butterflies.
where the no, but
Mariposa.
they're not there right
Not
now.
yet? Oh, no.
No?
They should
No,
be.
no, they're gone, I think.
No.
January
Oh
to
no,
February.
they are there.
No, now is the
Yes,
season.
they are there.
Yeah, you will find them.
And then I go back San Miguel de Allende,
But it's a long trip.
Zacatecas.
It's a long trip from Xilitla to Michoacán. It's
Well, have a
long
great
trip.
time.
Thank you.
Okay,
And thank you
enjoy.
for letting me join you.
No, this is so nice. Bye.
As time goes by, all the raindrops
Signs for Xilitla. We are almost there. And you know, the amazing part is Mexicans love their speed bumps. Okay, seriously, we're almost to Xilitla, and the roads have gotten better and better the closer I've gotten. It's been beautiful. I mean, by beautiful, I mean overcast, drizzly at times, but the riding's been great. And so as we round this corner, I wanted you to see this amazing view I've got. Look at those mountains up ahead. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Squares and circles. Is it love that I know? To release one life. Crystal ball, adrift and aware of it all. Just squares and circles. All thoughts and dreams, feelings that I'll need here.
Roads are a little slick, so I'm taking it easy, but looking forward to being there. Should be in Xilitla in about 10 minutes. And my buddy James, also known as Wobbly Cat on social media, is going to be there, and he's going to have his CB500X. So we're going to party for a couple days, hang out, do some sightseeing together, and maybe go for a few rides. Welcome to Xilitla!
Turn left, then turn right. Turn right, then turn left.
Well, I follow you around like a dog on a chain. Since I found your love, it's always been the same. I'm never out late, I do anything you ask to get a pat on the back. I swear swear that I've been on every airline, from Memphis to Seattle, to be by your side. And I got nothing left now but $1 and a dime. Can't buy peace of mind. And it's all that I am today. If I were a little more sane, oh well, I'd probably quit drinking, keep some money in the bank. And if I could, I swear I would hide your memory away. I wouldn't have to walk around calling out your name. Eventually I might learn other ways, but not today.
Holy cow! I bet you can't tell from the video, but these streets are incredibly steep and narrow, and it is slippery than snot.
Through dead malls and lake falls and east winter skies, we send familiar heartache down telephone lines. It makes me wanna lock you in the house sometimes. Well, I was born a lucky guy, and it's all that I am today. If I were a little more sane,
Holy moly!
well, I'd never learn to gamble, put no value on fame. If I could, I swear I would hide your memory away. Do a little more thinking for myself and stop the blame. Eventually I might learn other ways, but not today. If I were a little more sane, oh well, I'd probably quit drinking, keep some money in the bank. And if I could, I swear I would hide your memory away. I wouldn't have to walk around calling out your name. Eventually I might